Officials are looking for how fast they go and how long they ride. Look at this. Say about that, you're not going to see it coming. Here we go. Echo Hawk. Hey, 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 hey. Oh, ho. We're ready. Connor. Hey, hey. Oh, ho. Uh-oh. 4 for Connor. Here come the Cowgirls. Alyssa. Youch. Holy cow. Cheap. Hey, here we go. Kendall Beckstrom, let's do it again. Uh-oh. Oh! Oh! Ouch! Now, I'm not sure. Girl, Lauren Taylor. Uh-oh. Oh! It's McKeely Clark. Uh-oh. Have taken the lead. Uh-oh. Look at this.
Get to 100-point ride, he'll shave a mohawk in his head.